I'm back with another session, that is fluid management in neurocritical patients. Is fluid management important in neurocritical patients? If the answer is yes, then the another question is why. If the patient doesn't have adequate fluid in their body, it will decreases the blood volume and decreases the cerebral blood flow and oxygenation. If the brain cells are not getting the adequate oxygen and blood, it will cause ischemia of the brain. So keep in mind, once the brain damage will occur, it will be forever and cannot be reverted. Existing guidelines indicate that the neurocritical care patient should be targeted at euvolemia or positive balance. That should be around 500 ml to 1 liter. That is accepted. What fluids are administered in neuro patients? The widely used isotonic solution is normosaline. Why isotonic solutions are used? It's because this isotonic solution has the same tonicity as blood. So there will be no fluid shifting from the intracellular space to the extracellular space or extracellular space to the intracellular space to avoid hyper or the hyponatremia. Why dextrosaline is not used in neurocritical patients? The answer is the dextrose get metabolized and the plasma osmolality is decreased. We all know that dextrose has sugar, that is carbohydrate. It will be fast metabolized and the plasma osmolality, the concentration of the plasma is decreased. So what happened if the plasma osmolality decreased? The plasma osmolality decrease means the particles like electrolytes in the plasma will get diluted. So in this hypoosmolar state of the plasma, the fluid will be shifting from the extracellular space to the intracellular space, again causing the brain edema, that is secondary brain injury. Also, studies state that this dextrosaline enhances the diuresis. If the diuresis happens for the neurosurgical patients or the neuro patient, what will happen? There will be polyuria, cerebral salt wasting, then end up in hyponatremia. If hyponatremia, again brain injury. I'll be back with another piece of knowledge. Till then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.